Hey guys, welcome to my channel Go Medium Reviews. Today I'm going to talk about features of easiest commission ever. The easiest commission ever web app. Just log in to the app from anywhere and start using it online. They have been using it to profit and dominate affiliate leaderboards from past 2 years. It's a full-blown software suite that eliminates all your costly monthly expenses. No domain needed, no hosting needed, no page builder needed, no autoresponder needed. Easiest commission ever replaces all the above. So you stop worrying and start profiting from day one. Component 2, the missing piece. The most crucial component of their system, this alone is responsible for carrying 10x results for us and dozens of their beta users. It's really easy. Most people skip it since it takes hours to get this done. With their technology, you'll be able to do it in minutes and crush it 95% of your competition just by activating this. Newbies who are struggling to make a single sale were able to make $100 of in commissions. With this, it's smartly and seamlessly integrated to your easiest commission ever account. And step by step monetization and video. They will show you step by step the best strategy that are working for us and their users. You'll learn the exact psychology, why it works and how you can turn any campaign super profitable with little effort. Done for you campaign, just plug in their best and most profitable campaigns and start making money with them. They personally have made over $8,000 and $233 with this campaign and counting, or take inspiration from them to create your own campaigns. Either way, you'll succeed much faster and easier once you use these components. Component 5, world class support. Need any help? Just mail their world class support and they will sort it out. Easiest commission ever is a unique point and click system that turns all your visitors into subscribers, then automatically follow up and convert them into a commission 24/7. Anyone can generate commission 24/7, needs just 15 minutes per campaign, just results in less than 24 hours. Works in any niche, any industry, any language. Scale it as much you need. Once you activate the easiest commission ever software, you'll be able to sell anything you want effortlessly. Even if you had no experience, no skill, selling skills and have miserably failed in past to make a single sale. What easiest commission ever can do for you? See results in less than 24 hours. Done for you campaigns that generate over $8,183 already. Free traffic inbuilt with easiest commission ever. You can learn how to scale your campaigns to 6 figures with paid traffic. Be up and running in 5 minutes. Quick and easy. No tech skills needed. Zero learning curve. Just copy what they do and make commissions. Easiest commission ever works for both newbies and seasoned marketers. No domain, no hosting, no page builders, no autoresponder needed. They take care of everything. Low one-time payment during launch period. 60-day W money back guarantee. They are also providing a huge bonuses, long time bonuses. The bonus one is live training, live member training. In this special live training for users of the easiest commission ever, they are going to take you inside the app and show you advanced strategy that they use and how to maximize your profits with simple steps. How fast action bonus 2, how to make $997 commission. Learn how they make 997 commissions every sale on automation. They'll walk you through the exact funnel and campaigns. The bonus 3 is Facebook Mastermind Group. Join their free Facebook Mastermind Group where they share their ideas, their results, case studies and help each other succeed online. Even if you pick just 1 or 2 ideas from their group, they could help you make 6 figures this year. Fast Fast action bonus 4, how to scale with paid ads. Not just free traffic, it works for paid traffic as well. Learn how to get 10x results from any video ad with traffic 100k. They will show you how to start scale slow and scale your ads to 6 figures step by step. So I have attached the website link in the description box. So if you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you free ebook. So just contact me on Instagram ID, send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased a product through my link, and I'll send you the ebook link. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.